Hey guys, Eston's here. For GoPro's Creator Summit this year, they are having you choose your own adventure. I'm headed down to Sedona right now. They gave me a small budget, knock something off my bucket list, and I've always wanted to see Sedona from the really bumpy, rough dirt roads my van can't make it. So I'm renting a 4x4, getting my friends together, and we're gonna go check out some sick spots. All right, just got into town. The boys are here.
Hold on. Hopefully Steven doesn't run over his fucking GoPro right now.
That was sick! We're running out of daylight, so we're trying to stack all the shots we can!
Really? He crashed the drone. No way. But now I got time to make a sandwich. So joke's on him. Turkey. Where you heading? Oh, nice and wet. Wet turkey. My favorite. Oh, check that out in the sunlight. That's sexy. Bloop. Oh. Almost forgot the mustard. Boom. Perfect amount of dirt in it. Just enough for a little crunch, you know? Chef's kiss. Honey mustard might be the greatest condiment of all time, I think. It's actually good in the sunlight, you know? When there's a sunset and you got a turkey sandwich with some honey mustard on it. And you're looking at Sedona. It's an epic turkey sandwich. Top 3 all time, I think, for me. That's a turkey sandwich I won't forget ever. Yeah, I think I hit something, dude. Huh? I had a flat?
Oh yeah, big time.
You know what? Damn!
Oh damn! Oh, you ripped that apart, dude.
Well, the light was good. We were having a little too much fun. Logan popped the tire. What are you thinking?
Oh, in like 30 seconds, man.
Yeah. What'd you hit?
I know it was like, it was actually like just right here. I know it was like one of,
Big rock?
no, dude. I didn't drive over any of that shit. I got PLV to prove it.
What'd I hit?
You hit a rock.
That's a big oof.
Dude, I heard it. I was like, oh, that was a big fucking rock.
Let me go.
So fun's over for tonight, but we got tomorrow morning maybe if they let us keep ripping these. They might not.
6 a.m. Sun's about to come up. We're gonna go find this cave.
Morning, boys. Morgan Papa. You ready to go for another ripperoo?
You okay? You okay, boys?
Holy.
Well, there goes the whole budget. Because the guy said if you flip it, it's like $1,000 minimum for all new plastics. All right, Logan, try that off somewhere. Right over the GoPro too.
Yeah, well, this solidifies that I'll never drive an ATV ever again.
She's a little scratched up, but nothing a little sticker can't fix. Apparently there's a cave over there, so we're gonna go check it out. There's the cave. Hey, buddy. Oh, sick. Nice work, boys. Well, that's the end of our Sedona adventure. We gotta go pay some bills now, but it was worth it. Look at me. Damn, this front screen's fat though.
Damn, I wish I didn't get a flat tire. It'd be better if I didn't.